birthday coming up soon for that. My lawyer, she said I no longer have to show up since I work offshore, so my lawyer's going to show up for me. So this is the only thing that I have. Those other cases, when I was a young college student, I got my stuff together now, Judge. I promise you, like, I am not a flight risk or anything like that. I take my life very serious, and I'm not just talking. I'm speaking from the heart.
Little bunnies jumping in the woods.
Definitely not. Most definitely not. And if I am able to bond out, I will.
Ask you this:
in Orange County.
if you were the judge, would you give that person standing in front of you a bond?
Yes, sir. Only I would love for you to. I'm going to show up out there. I've already talked to my mom and everybody. I'm showing up. If you give me a chance, or I promise you, I will not disappoint you.
Not even Jesus himself could convince me to give you a chance now, Mr. Greenwade. 13 FTAs?
Sir, those were a decade ago. I was young.
I'm 28, Mr. Greenwade.
Man, I'm a whole different person. I've been through college, put myself through. I'm on my stuff, sir. I've been at my job.
So the fact that you took off on the DWI here not 5 months ago, you've matured since that 5 months, I guess.
Oh, that was just a miscommunication, and I took it upon myself to show up in court. I showed up in court myself. I did not run. I was not caught. I showed up in court myself. Told the judge about the miscommunication. She took the warrant off of me. I did not run.
It is worth noting that the last debating and the last failure to appear is 5 years ago.
Years ago, sir. I've been on a straight line, and I'm trying to stay on it.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna keep this straight line too. I don't think so, Mr. Greenwade. I'm sorry, but.
Judge, would you at least consider a high fee, 5,000? You know, put some skin in the game, and you know.
Oh, for me, for Mr. Greenwade, if I were to set something, it's probably going to be like 150,000, because that way, I just, you know what? I don't even want to do that because I don't think you're going to show up.
Sir, I'm going to show up. I'm going to lose my job behind this. I've been working so hard, like, to get everything together. I'm going to lose my job and everything. I'm going to lose everything. And I've been doing so good. I wait for that to happen.
And me, you know, and I don't want that to happen to Mr. Greenwade, but at some point you got to get it. And for me, if I were to give you a bond now, I would be enabling your behavior. And I would say, yeah, it's okay for you to do this, when it most certainly is not, especially in light that you have a DWI over there. You've got now a DWI here. It's as bad as it gets, man.
They're years apart. It's not like I'm just out here repeatedly getting in trouble. I'm working, I'm handling my business.